basic video of how Minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now, while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and locked.
Attach the auto hinges soft close to board 2, 3, and 5. Attach the cushion to board 1 with the given bolt using Allen key. Attach board 2 to board 1. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Attach board 3 and 4 to board 1. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Attach board 5 to board 1. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Make sure the auto hinges soft close are same side. Attach board 6 to board 1. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Place board 7 flat on 2, 3, 4, and 5 boards, ensuring the dowels are properly inserted in its hole, and tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach the bushes with the given screws using screwdriver. Fold the hinges and slowly flip the unit. Now attach the backboards 8 with the given screws using screwdriver. Carefully turn the unit upright. Attach the shelf support L plugs on parallel sides equally so that the board can stand flat. Slightly tilt the board's 9, slide it in and place it on the cabinet shelf support L plug. Attach the knob to boards 10 and 11. Attach the door board 10 to auto hinges soft close. Attach the door boards 11 to auto hinges soft close. Your product is ready to use.